Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Andaman and Nicobar. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying through person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it with all the necessary information. The applicant must carry both photocopy and original of the document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach photocopy of the Aadhaar card along with the application form, and they have to submit all the documents to the concerned officer. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is processed, an SMS will be sent to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must approach the respective mutual fund office website online. Under the Contact Us option on the website, the applicant must check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. They have to compose an email along with the mutual fund number and the Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with respective mutual funds. The applicant must attach scanned virtual copy of the Aadhaar card along with the application and click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the process is done, the applicant will receive an SMS or reply to the same email regarding the process completion. This entire process can be done within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN number space Aadhaar number space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The applicant will receive an SMS regarding the process completion. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process can be done within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.